The stadium is entering a crucial phase where major structures are no longer just under construction. They're becoming clearly visible. The compression ring is rising, the third tier is almost complete, and new exterior elements are starting to define the final look. Let's take a closer look at the latest progress across every key area. The compression ring is showing strong overall progress as installation continues steadily across the structure. Multiple sections have already been positioned, and the sequence is advancing consistently along the southern side while preparing to extend further around the stadium. The alignment between boxes and radial beams is being executed with high precision, especially in tighter connection zones where accuracy is critical. Structural progress continues with several pillars and their corresponding radial beams already installed and aligned. These elements are forming the main support system for the compression ring, while additional bracing components are being added to reinforce the structure. The third tier is now in its final stages of completion, with the vast majority of prefabricated seating already installed across all sections. Only a limited number of upper-edge seating units remain, mainly in transition areas near structural connections. In parallel, crews have started working on joint sealing between seating elements, applying specialized materials to ensure durability and weather resistance. Work inside the VIP ring is progressing steadily with clear signs of interior development. Floor preparation is ongoing with reinforcement mesh being installed ahead of concrete pouring. At the same time, partition walls are beginning to take shape, indicating the layout of future hospitality and service areas. Activity across multiple zones suggests that interior construction is moving into a more advanced stage. Facade installation is advancing with continued work on the support structure and anchoring systems for the ceramic lamellas. In some areas, lamella placement has already resumed, while in others, preparation work is still ongoing. The workflow indicates a phased approach, where structural readiness is being ensured before full-scale installation accelerates. The north side is experiencing noticeable progress with simultaneous activity in both structural and facade-related work. New support structures are being installed to extend the upper framework. While lamella installation has also restarted in certain areas, there is visible movement of materials, active machinery, and workforce across multiple levels, including work on core structures and interior sections. Work in the parking area is focused on ground leveling and surface preparation. Crews are continuously adding and compacting layers of soil to raise the terrain toward the final required height. Heavy machinery is active across the zone, indicating that this phase is approaching completion before any structural or finishing work begins. Installation of black exterior panels is progressing gradually, mainly around the VIP ring areas. These panels are being mounted as part of the outer enclosure system, contributing to both structural coverage and visual design. While installation is still limited to certain sections, the framework and alignment suggest a phased rollout across the stadium facade. In the tribuna sector, progress remains steady but not highly advanced compared to other areas. Structural elements such as concrete blocks, partial enclosures, and glass installations are visible. Some sections still show exposed construction zones, and overall work is focused on basic structural completion rather than finishing stages at this point. Overall, construction is advancing steadily across all major areas, with structural work, facade installation, and interior development progressing in parallel. As more sections are completed and new phases begin, the stadium is gradually transitioning from heavy construction into a more defined and finished structure. Stay tuned for the next update as progress continues to unfold.